Next class, children, today we are going to learn about from the term 3 book. Term 3 book, already taken term 3, chapter 1, fractions. So, you already studied in the 5th standard also about fractions. Now, we just going to recall our portions. Okay. So, what is fraction and what is the types of fraction? That it is. First of all, see, what is fraction? It is a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Children, fraction maybe is a fraction, fracture, whatever it is, the same meaning only. So, if you cut anything in the same part of each part is the same kind, means that is called as a fraction. For example, is a part of a whole, but fraction means is not a whole number. It's a part of a whole means is less than 1. For example, see here I am going to take one cake. It's a circle shaped cake. So in this cake I am going to divide into 4 equal parts means. So I ate one piece. First of all, see, is a whole part. I am going to divide it into 4 equal parts. So if I shade one thing means, that means I am going to eat this part means, what is a fraction? Fraction means 1 by 4. That means 1 is the, whatever we shaded portion is called as a 1, and a total number of parts is divided in the denominator. So the part is 1 by 4. So that's why given whole may be a single object. See, it's a cake piece is one of the single object. So we are going to divide into 4 equal parts. So there's one part is shaded means the answer is 1 by 4. There is a fraction number. So fraction numbers contain two numbers are 2 parts are there. The upper part is called numerator, and the lower part is called denominator. Upper part is a numerator and lower part is called as a denominator. And then second one are a group of a object. Group of a object. First, for example, I am drawing 6 apples. So in this out of 6 apples, if I go into half share means how much we need? We will get yes 3 out of 6. 3 by 6 is the half share. See, if I simplify means the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half only, no? So that's why, so therefore, the group of a object also is called as a fraction. So what is a fraction number here? 3 by 6. So the both are comes in the same table by 3 table. If I simplify by 3 table means the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If I going to share the 3 parts means how many share we get? Each one we get. See, if I share 3 share means 1, 2, 3. So each one get 2 apple. So the for each one we get 2 out of 6. 2 out of 6. If I already divide into 2 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 1 by out of 6. If I divide into 3 parts means each one get 2 out of 6. If I simplify by 2 table, 1 time, 3 times, the answer is 1 by 3. So that is called the fractions. Okay children, the next one is types of fractions. So how many types are there? The first one proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction. Proper fraction means if the denominator is greater than the numerator, that type of fraction is called proper fraction. See some example, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 11, 21 by 32. Here all the numerator is smaller than the denominator, isn't it? So 1 is smaller than 2, 3 is smaller than 5, 7 is smaller than 11. So this type of fractions are called proper fraction. So improper fraction is opposite. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2, 4 by 3, 7 by 4. So these are called improper fraction. And third one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means if the whole number is mixed with the fraction number. Proper fraction means that type of fraction is called mixed fraction. The whole number is 4, 4 and half, 3, 1 by third. So these are called mixed fraction. Here the whole number 4 is mixed with the proper fraction, means that type of fraction is called mixed fraction. Here see some children. Now we will change the improper fraction to mixed number and mixed number to improper fraction. See 5 by 2, just take a 5 by 2 means is a improper fraction. If that means 5 by 2 means we need to 5 divided by 2. We need to divide the 5 by 2 means first take in 2 table how many 2 is in 5? Yes, 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. So now we can write the 5 by 2 into as a mixed fraction as just take 2 as a, that is a 2 quotient 2 as take as a whole number and remainder to write as a numerator. Our denominator is what? As usual 2. See, so that is if we want convert mixed improper to mixed fraction means that is the answer. That is the type. Again, if you want mixed number to improper means same only. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Isn't it? So for example, I am going to take 3 1 by 3. If I want to convert into improper means first multiply this numerator and the denominator and the whole number. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3. So that is a method to convert mixed number to improper, improper to mixed number. Okay, the next one, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means, so they are got by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of a given fractions by the same number. Children, equivalent means what? Equal. So if we want to change any fraction, we have to write any fraction as to equal means you have to do this method. For example, 3 by 4. If I take that fraction 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. If I change, if I want to write the equivalent fraction for another fraction means there's only one method is there. First of all, you have to, if I want to get 3 equivalent fraction means what is the method is here given? We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So that's your wish only. You just take any number. 2 table means you have to multiply by numerator and the denominator 2 by 2. If you take 3 table means into 3 into 3. 5 table means into 5 into 5. So see children, the given fraction is 3 by 4 means only. Now we are going to convert we have to find out the equivalent fraction, 3 equivalent fraction for 3 by 4 means, first of all you have to select any table number, 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, even 10 table also you have to select it. Then after that you just multiply the table number with the numerator and denominator same. So if I now first sum, I am going to select 2 table. So 2 3s are what will come? 6. 6 by 4 2s are 8. The second one, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, and third one 5 3s are 15, 15 by 4 5s are 20. So therefore the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 6 by 8, 9 by 12, 15 by 20, whatever it is. How many tables you know means you just take and write. You have to find out the another equivalent fraction also. Okay children, if I simplify this means, for example, by 5 table, if you cross it means, what is the answer will come? 3 by 4. In 3 table, 3 by 4. And if a 2 table means 3 by 4. So if we simplify the equivalent fraction by the same table means, we will get the the same number, that is 3 by 4 is for all is same only. Okay, so therefore if you want to convert any fraction number into equal fraction means you have to select any table number and then multiply by number with the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Up and down, if you multiply means you will get the equivalent fraction. So what was the answer is here? Here the answer is 6 by 8 and if you not simplify means what answer will come? Yes, this answer will come 6 by 8, 9 by 12 and 15 by 20. If I select 10 table means 3 tens are 4 tens are. So how many will come? 30 by 40 also will come. Okay children? The next one is like fraction, unlike fraction. Like means what? The same type of. Okay, that is called like fraction. Unlike means is the opposite. So like fraction, which one is called as a like fraction means? If the denominator is same and the numerator is different means that type of fractions are like fraction. For example, 1 by 10, 5 by 10 and 7 by 10, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. See, first is take this 3. In this, see, all the denominators are same. If the denominator is same but numerator is different means that type of fractions are called like fraction. So here denominator is also, these two also like fraction, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So denominator is same but numerator is different means that type of fraction is called like fraction. Unlike fraction means already I told now, 1 by 10, 3 by 5, 2 by 7. See whatever it is, all the fractions are different denominator. So therefore this type of fractions are called unlike fraction. So children, like fraction means if the denominators are same means that is called like fraction. Denominators are, if we compare one fraction to another means if the denominator is same means that is like fraction. Denominator different means that is unlike fraction. Children, one more thing, why we need like fraction and unlike fraction means like fractions only we can add, subtract. Okay, for example, 1 by 10 plus 5 by 10 plus 7 by 10 means, see, all the denominators are same means we can add, all the denominators are same, all are having the same 10 only. So first take only 10, then you have to add all the numerator, 1 plus 5 plus 7. What is the answer will come? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 by 10 is the answer. Okay children? So if denominators are same means as a like fraction only we can add and subtract. For example, 7 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Here also denominator same means we can subtract the numerator, 7 minus 5 whole divided by 10. Answer is 2 by 10. Okay, so like fractions only we can add and subtract. But children, only you have to add only the numerator, subtract only the numerator, not the denominator. Whatever is how many denominator given, just commonly take only one only. Okay, so don't add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 30. Don't put like this. You have to add only the numerator, not the denominator. Okay, children. So okay children, already we know that if the like fractions only we can add and subtract. But so first you have to ask one question, miss, whether we can't add unlike fraction also means yes we can add, but we need to change the, see for example I am going to take 1 by 10 and 3 by 5. Here denominator is 10 and here denominator is 5. So that means these are not a like fraction. So like fraction we can, if unlike fraction means we cannot add. But if we change as to like fraction means, that means if we change the denominator as the same means we can add. For example, here what is the denominator is given? 10 and this 5. First you have to take LCM for 10 and 5. So it comes in the 5 table 2 time and 1 time. Again 2 table 1 time. So 5 2s are 10. So what is the LCM for 10 and 5? 10. So that means first of all 1 by here already 1 by 10 is there. So we no need to change as to denominator. But here what is given? 5 is given. So we have to change this number only as to like fraction. So therefore if you want to change 5 into 10 means how do we change? Yes, if we multiply by 2 with 5 means it will change as to 10. So as an equivalent fraction, if your denominator is multiplied by 2 means numerator also is multiplied by 2. So what will come? 1 by 10 plus 3 2s are 6 by 10. See here both are same as into same 10 by 10, 1 by 10, 6 by 10 is like fraction only. So now we can add, what was the answer will come? 1 plus 6 by 10, answer is 16 by 10. What is the answer? 16 by 10. So that means if the given unlike fraction to add means first of all you have to change. So okay, so now we have change the same this number also into 6 by 2. That means like fraction means we can add the numerator. 1 plus 6 whole divided by 10. 1 plus 6 what? 7 by 10 is the answer. So if the given unlike fraction also given to add means first of all the first rule is first you change the unlike fraction into like fraction. How do we change it? Just take the numerator, the denominator and find out the LCM for the two number, and then with this two number then you have to change the which one is not like means by equivalent fraction. Through the equivalent fraction you change as to you have to find out the equivalent fraction for the number, and then you have to add the numerator. That is the answer. Okay. Compare and put the symbol of greater than, less than or equal to. See, in this sum, already told you if the like fraction means we can add or subtract or compare. See, we have to compare only the numerator only. See here also 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So denominator is the same is both are like fraction only. So we can compare it. So you have to compare only the numerator. Here is 3, here is 4. So which one is greater? 4 is greater. So 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. So you have to put the symbol of less than symbol. Next, 1 by 3, 3 by 5. See, here 3 and 5 is not a like fraction. So we cannot compare. But if we cannot compare means, we have to, if we convert into like fraction means, we can compare it. So already told you, what is the denominator here? 3. What is the denominator here? 5. So both are prime number means. So the prime number means, just do the cross multiply. And the 5 3s are 15. So if you have to convert the denominator as to 15 means, you just multiply by, if you want to 3 as to 15 means, you multiply by 5 table. And here also, if you want to convert this, you have to multiply by 3 table. So what does the answer come? The answer is 1 5 5 by 15 and 9 by 15. So this will convert into 5 by 15 and this will convert into 9 by 15. Now denominator is the same means. Is a like fraction. Now you compare the numerator. So which one is greater? 9 by 15 is greater. It means this number is greater. So 1 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. Okay. 3 by 5 is the answer. First you convert, then after you put and convert, after that write it. Next one is next one is, see, here the given improper number only given. mixed number 1 by 4 and 1 3 by 4. So first of all you convert into 1 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. First of all you convert into mixed improper number. So 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. So what will become? It becomes 7 by 4. And 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 4. So if you compare these two means, which one is greater? This one is greater. So 1 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, it's not the same as like fraction only. So straightly compare it. Next, 2 1 by 3 compared to 2 1 by 2. So this is also mixed number. So you compare it. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So first one becomes 7 by 3. And 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2. But this 2 is not here. What? Like fraction. So you convert into like fraction means you just take the multiplier. 3 2s are 6. Take the LCM. So 3 2s are 6. 6 means if you convert into, if you want to convert into 6 means first multiply 2 table up and down. Here 3 table. So what is become? It's become 14 by 6. And this will become 15 by 6. So 15 is the second number. So therefore, which one is greater? This one is a greater. So this is the answer. So 2 1 by 3 is less than 2 1 by 2. Okay children, let us see some example sums. Find the sum of 1 by 9, 2 by 9 and 3 by 9. Sum means what? Addition. So that means we have to add this 3 fraction number. If we want to add means what was the rule? Whether the given numbers are a like fraction means we can add. So first of all see 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, so all the numbers are the same 9 only. So we can add the number. So first of all 1 by 9, the given comma means you just put addition, sum means addition. Then 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So already told if you want to add means you just add only the numerator, not the denominator. So commonly take 9 as a denominator. And 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the answer will come? 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. So answer is 6 by 9. So but 6 by 9 is both are comes in the same table, that is 3 table means by 3 table we can cancel, we can simplify this by 2 times and the 3 times. So answer is what? 2 by 3 is the answer. So if they given the having the common factor means you have to simplify and then write the answer. The second one, find the sum of 3 by 7 and 2 by 3. See here also we are going to add 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3, but these two numbers not a like fraction. Already told if we want to change as to like fraction, unlike fraction means as a like fraction, if we change as to like fraction means what we do? We have to take the LCM for the denominator. What is the denominator given? Denominator is 7 and 3. So 7 3s are 1 7s are 7, next to 3 one time. So 7 into 3. So LCM is equal to 21. So what is the LCM? LCM is 21. And one more children, I will tell you 7 and 3 is a prime number. No. If the given prime number means you no need to find out that LCM like that. You just multiply these two and find out the LCM. So therefore LCM is 21. If you want to convert 7 into 21 means how do we convert? Yes, if 7 into 3 means it's become 21. So the same by equivalent fraction like that, numerator also multiply with 3. If you want to convert 7 into 7, so therefore what the answer will come? 3 3s are 9 by 21 plus 2 sevens are 14 by 21. See, so now is both the denominators are same. That is a like fraction, means we can add the numerator. What is the numerator? 9 plus 14 whole divided by 21. So answer will come. Yes, 19 plus 14 is equal to 23 by 21 is the answer. See here what is given. What is the answer? 23 by 21. It is a improper fraction. If they given improper fraction, means you have to change the improper fraction into mixed number. How do we change it? I already told you in 21 table 23, 121 are 21, remainder 2. So the answer is, what was the answer? 1, numerator is 2 and 21. That is the answer. The answer is 1 into 2 by 21 is the answer. If the answer comes in improper fraction, means you have to change into mixed number. That is the answer. So here already if they given like fraction, means you just add all the numerator and find out the answer. Whether the answer comes in the same factor, means you just simplify and find out the answer. But if they given in the unlike fraction, means you just take out the LCM and then convert into like fraction. After that, just add a numerator and then find out the answer. If the answer comes in the improper fraction, means you have to change as to mixed number, mixed fraction. Okay, 1. Find the sum of 1 3 by 5 and 2 1 by 5. That is a mixed number. If the given mixed number, means how do we find add the number? See, first 1 3 by 5, just take it, plus 2 1 by 5. If the given mixed number, means first of all you have to convert the mixed number into improper. How do we convert? Just see this. First you multiply this 2. That means whole number and the denominator. 1 into 5. 1 5s are 5. Plus the numerator, what is 3? Whole divided by 5. Okay. This is a method. First you multiply the whole number and the numerator, and the answer with the add with the numerator. Next the same. 2 into 5s are plus 1 whole divided by 5. So what the answer will come? 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 3. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3 8 by 5 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5. So is a like fraction. So therefore we just add this number numerator. So 8 plus 11 by 5 is equal to 19 by 5 is the answer. But 19 by 5 is not a 90 by 5 is not a proper fraction. So if we come like this, means you have to convert the 19 by 5, that is improper, to mixed number. So how do we convert? Just you just divide the 19 by 5. So in 5 table, how many is come? Yes, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. 20 is more than 19. So you just stop up to 3 times. So 3 5s are 15. Remainder is what? 4. So as usual, therefore 19 by 5 is that means what is quotient here? 3. The whole number is 3 and the remainder as a numerator. So therefore 3 4 by 5 is the answer. 3 4 by 5 is the answer. See children, if they given 2 mixed number to add, means first of all you convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Then after that If the both are the like fraction means you just add the numerator and find out the answer. If the answers comes in the mixed improper fraction means you just again you convert into mixed number. That is the answer. Next one. Okay. This is also next example. Find the sum of 3 1 by 3 and 2 3 by 5. See, here also they given mixed number, but 3 1 by 3 plus 2 3 by 5. What I told you, first of all you have to convert this number into mixed number into improper. How do we convert? First you just multiply this what? 3 3s are 9 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 2 5s are into plus 3 whole divided by 5. That means 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5. See, but children, the last sum, the given numbers are like fraction. But see this sum, this is not a like fraction, it's an unlike fraction. So, unlike fraction means what I told, first you convert into like fraction. How do we convert? Yes, you have to find out the LCM. The LCM also already told. In the LCM, 3 and 5, 3 table one time, again 5 table one time, 3 5s are 15 is the LCM. 3 5s are 15 is the LCM means. So first, that means if you want to convert the 10 by 3 as into denominator as 15. If you want to convert 3 as a denominator as 15 means you just multiply with the 5 table. But the numerator and denominator. Here 3 table. Isn't it? So 10 5s are 50 by 15 plus 39 by 15. So we can add, now they convert into like fraction means. Now you have to add the number. The numerator same means we can add the numerator. What is the numerator? 50 plus 39. 50 plus 39, what is the answer will come? 39 by 15. 89 by 15, that is the answer. But 89 by 15 is not a proper number, it's an improper fraction. So improper means you just convert the improper number as to mixed number. Just take 15 table. In 15 table, how many times it come? Well, in 15 table, 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75, 6 15s are 90. So 90 is more than 89. So you just stop up to 5 times. So 5 15s are 75. Remember what will come? Yes, 9 minus 5 4. 14. So the answer is 5. 14 by 15 is the answer. Okay children, let's see the next one.